skies. Rhinos guard the grasslands with their ancient noble grace. Creation whispers softly in this unexpected place, here where nature and civilization meet, where the wild heart and the city beat. God is painting wonders at our feet, a sacred place where two worlds meet. Birdsong fills the morning, colors dancing in the air, and stories round the campfire come from guides who know it there. Beauty blends so gently where the plains and rooftops stand, a living testament held in the maker's hand, here where nature and civilization meet, where the wild heart and the city beat. God is painting wonders